instead of having my breakfast.
Animal daw ako, sabi nila I would be a deer.
Here at 7-Eleven, buying some snacks. Snack that you can eat at the airplane.
7:35.
131 and stand by. Once again, stand by for your flight's boarding announcement. Once again, to all departing Davao bound passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 583-961. Flight 583-961 bound for Davao, may we have your attention, please. This is not yet your boarding announcement. Once again, we are not yet boarding. Your flight is currently full for today and we may not have enough space inside the overhead bins for your hand carry bag.
Hindi pa siya antok. Ito pa antok. I have no sleep.
Let me know sa'yo na.
I have no sleep.
Okay, this is the puke box.
Demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with the seatbelts fastened push ends together. Tighten seatbelts by pulling loose ends to unfasten, lift up, buckle, and pull free end to release.
Tinkerbell here, Francine, and welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Davao too. I didn't turn on my camera earlier that much because we are jet lagged, and then I was just walking papunta sa baba because we are going to the night market, and I'm also waiting for Mama and Jay. Fit check. just wearing a pink bag, a pink clamp, and then a pink slippers. And we're going to the night market. So, I guess welcome to Davao. I just woke up from sleep. Malamang. We're gonna buy that and this.
Nag-vlog ka?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Because I want this. And meron sa Thailand yan. It's our currently day 2 here in Davao. And our agenda for today is just going to church and then maglilechon kami after. I'm just doing my makeup. Hindi ako masyado nag-video kahapon. And kagabi. Kasi I'm just enjoying the moment of our first day and jet lag din. So, we are also staying here in Arezzo. Super pretty here and then ganda ng ambience, ang ganda ng room. But I can't give you a room tour kasi ang dami ng gamit. Ang dami naming dala. We're staying here for 4 days. So, that's why. And alam niyo ba, this is my first time na under baggage ako. Can you believe it? As an overpacker. Nag-under baggage ako. Me, personally, hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. Well, I guess there's first time for everything. Okay, let's check. We're gonna go now. Change of plans. We're not going to the church yet. We're about to meet my family sa side ni Lola, and then church after, and then we're going to the mall. And now I'm just watching TV. So, yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, this is basically it. Yun yung room nila ate. This is hotel, guys. And this is where we're staying at. Pupunta lang kay ate kasi Hagdan din. This bed, doon ang aming meeting place. And look guys, super ganda here. Ayan. Kaya kanina habang nagme-makeup ako, maingay kasi nasa baba ng room namin yung playground. Kaya maingay na ang bata. We are at the grocery and I saw this. Ang nostalgic lang niya. Dati lagi itong inuwi sa akin ni Lola. And now, hindi na siya pwede sa ngipin ko kasi I have braces. We just got home and I'm here at my sister's hotel room. And I bought Milky Donut and Pilipit from Panaderia na masarap to yung mga tinapay doon. Let's taste. Mind you, ininit pa nila. This is the Pilipit. I also bought this. Parang siyang Spanish bread pero chocolate. We're going to Samal Island. Nakasakay kami sa parang mini boat. Hindi boat eh. Nakalimutan ko ang tawag dito. You're playing with sand?
You wasted water. Oh.
Outfit check. We're done taking photos. Thank you so much to my sister. Siya lang talagang certified photographer ko. And I could not vlog a lot earlier kasi ako yung sous chef. So we cooked a lot of foods with my tito. And ayun, hinintay lang namin lumabog yung araw kasi super init kanina. And then, now, I'm about to change to my bikini so I can take another photo. And thanks again to my sister. I'm collecting stones. And hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog here. Actually, hindi na ako masyadong nakakapag-vlog because I'm just enjoying my stay here in Davao. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And yeah. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-take ng pictures. And tagbanlaw na din ako. Binalik ko lang yung suot ko kanina. We are about to go home na din. That's why sobrang ganda dito. As in, this is the first dagat na napuntahan ko na nag-enjoy talaga ako. Kaya kahit wala akong masyadong video here, I literally enjoyed. Tapos super linis pa niya. Like, okay lang talaga na makainom ka ng tubig dito. Very char lang. Siyempre, parang like, it's is so pretty. Super pretty here. We finally found Choco Pao. I'm the Choco Pao. After ilang store na napunta namin sa Manila, they don't have Choco Pao. Manila. Kahit anong oras na, it's almost 10 p.m. But they have Choco Pao here in Davao. Wala ka sa bahay, Gayon. Puno ka lang ako dito. Cute, cute. Ang ganda-ganda niyo.
Hindi maglaro ka para bagsak ka.
Mama, oh. Today is our third day here in Davao, and I think this is the most productive day that we have so far. I mean, productive naman yung mga days before this day, but we're going to museums, a lot of museums today. Kahapon, di na ako masyado nakapag-film because we're running late. And today, di naman late, but we only have 1 hour to prepare, so I'd rather have my makeup on instead of having my breakfast. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put my makeup and we'll go now. Okay, so fit check. I'm just wearing loafers because it's gonna be a long day, and then this top and skirt. And then this bag. Just put some accessories. It's gonna be a long day walking because it's a museum, and we're also going to Crocodile Park. Bye! I'll see you there. This was very nostalgic. I saw this at my Lola's photo book. I will... Saan? Ayun na. Yung sa may ganyan? Ayan na. Let's go. Let's see. Ito. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Here. I saw this. Nandito siya. This was the eagle. Saan dito? Yeah. And I can't vlog inside the museum because it's not allowed there. That's why in-enjoy ko na lang yung pag-titingin sa mga nandun. So after this, we're gonna eat lunch, and then we're going to the Japanese tunnel and then Crocodile Park.
Single line, right, one line. Okay? Kasi may ipon kasi during pandemic, nag-close kami, nag-stay yung mga birds until na nag-open ulit, nandito pa rin. One line. Okay, stop muna kayo din, sir. Picture tayo. Compress na lang po, compress. Compress lang yung babae po. Yan. 1, 2, smile. Isang look up. 1, 2, 3. Right po. Ito po.
May paniki talaga siya.
Birds lang yan. Birds lang. So, eto, nagstay sila dito yung mga birds kasi madilim. So, open lang kayo dito pa rin. So, additional attraction. Balin sa sayaw. Bibili ka ng picture daw, picture. Tumasok dyan na nakaraan. Sige po. Nag-picture dyan. Ayaw.
Uyo ko, yung mga natatangkad.
Ay, hindi ko na kailangan yung room ko. 7 people are caged there daw. Uy, kasi yung ano. Nakasleep. It feels so
We're here na sa Crocodile Park.
Pag nahulog, paabot na lang.
Andun yung isang
Sharing
tiger.
is caring kayo pag nahulog.
Ang laki niya!
As the subject sees, a formalized dance that emphasizes the agility of the upper body, the rhythmic bounce of the shoulders, and simultaneous alternating waving of arms are the basic movements of this dance. A formalized commonly performed at weddings and other social gatherings. Once again, an inspired Pangalan dance.
Serpent eagle has a scientific name of Spilornis hulus pilus. Spilus meaning spotted and ornis meaning bird. As you can see, Pagaspas has spot all over its body and they are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas nakikita, which is based from their name. So guys, palakpakan naman. There you go. So once again, that is Lakas, our white-bellied eagle with a scientific name of Halianthus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. Therefore, the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with the wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.
Crocodile Park is not just a crocodile pala. They have a lot of animals here like capybara. Oh my gosh, I saw a capybara. Capybaras, snakes, crocodiles of course, lion, tiger, monkey, and a lot.
Diyan nakita mo.
Alin? Ano ba yan? Bakit may ano sila? I'm here with Jeyo.
I read fun facts about that. Pag tinuka ka niyan, parang bullet daw.
Tayo mo nga.
Tapos, sobrang bilis nito, parang ano,
Ang laki niya.
maabutan niya yung horse.
Ano name niyan?
Wait lang.
Parang corn yung ano niya. Meron siyang boxing. Ayan, ayun.
Hindi, deer yun eh.
Deer?
Oh, deer.
The deer is hungry tonight.
Hindi mo.
Alam mo ba, sabi nila, if animal daw ako, sabi nila, I would be a deer. It's a deer.
Kinakagat tayo naman.
The female lion is sleeping. I won't bother you. Sleep well. Come here. Oh, he's drinking. He finally showed his face. He's leaving now. Oh, hello! Dahil alipin ako ng pink, I will buy this. Ali! Kainin mo siya. Ah, sige. Ali, come here. Ali. Nice to show mo ano yun.
Pagkain siya sa puso. Ate, can I open the door? No. No.